The M-Part Starter Kit is the ideal kit to give to first-timers and experienced cyclists as well, as it contains all the essential accessories you need to get started. It contains 6 essential items: a dual-action mini pump, an aluminium bottle cage, a seat pack, an 8-function folded multi-tool, 3 tyre levers, and a glueless patch kit. The aluminium barrel dual action pump features an ergonomic T-handle for easy inflation. It also features an auto-select head for easy use with straighter and pressed valves. It features a thumb lock lever and mud cap. Additionally, it includes a bracket to attach the pump to the bicycle frame. The M-Part Starter Kit also comes with 8-function folding multi-tools with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8mm hex keys. It also comes with flat and cross-head screwdrivers. The M-Part Starter Kit also comes with a 3-piece tyre lever, which is set to assist you in removing your tyre from the wheel rim. It also features a handy hook to secure to the wheel spokes when multiple levers are needed. Finally, it can be clipped together for easy storage.